Fine. Hi everyone, welcome to Chitchat with KS.
I'm Kate.
And I'm S. Today we're going to share with you guys our experience in buying secondhand
luxury bags.
So the one that we buy from is, as the title here, LRX&Co. It's not a sponsored video. Hopefully,
no,
we don't have enough subscriber views for that.
Yeah,
so this is we buy with our own money, okay?
If LRX&Co see this, want to come,
you want
come
sponsors?
to us?
Please feel free.
We'll come.
I know. Okay, so we actually one day we were just shopping around in one of the malls. It's a department store in Hudson Bay, okay? And then we just see, hey, why there's a bunch of Gucci
and
like
normally that section is only for Coach, and then we were like just walking around, and then we're like, oh, where's this? Why is there Gucci?
I screamed real fast. I was like, is that Fendi that I see in Gucci? I was like, what the hell is going on?
And then like, what's going on? How all of a sudden we have all these luxury brands here?
And then I see a Louis Vuitton there too, and then actually it's a consignment store from LRX&Co with Hudson Bay. I guess they are paying them some commission. And the sales lady there was quite nice. She actually still emailed me and things like that saying, oh, we have 20% now. I think right now they're having a Black Friday 25% off things. What's the events, I guess, if you buy. So this is the bag that kind of is just a very linen kind of like not very high quality bag, but that's not the point.
Not very good. That's
okay, so this is the items that I got there. So basically, I don't think LRX&Co has a lot of selection, especially their consignment store. Maybe have more selection in their online.
Well, they have it online, and then
on the store too.
Like if there's any style that you see online that you like, you can, I think you can ask them to ship it to the store near your place.
Yeah.
And then you can look at it. If you don't like it, just don't buy it. Keep it there or something.
So this is the Keep All. I always wanted a Keep All, but I just don't want to pay the Keep All price, especially with the pandemic going on and you can't really like, what's the word called, travel. And so I actually, even if I want to buy a Keep All, I'll probably buy the bandolier that comes with the straps, like the Speedy bandolier. But the reason I get this one, because it's
well, the condition of this bag is so
really
nice.
Great. It's epi leather. So actually, I feel like if I want to go travel, I don't feel great taking like the monogram or like even Damier Ebene. It's too
not
flashy.
strong enough.
And it's too flashy in the airport. It's kind of like, I don't know. I think it's too flashy for that. And I watch a lot of videos, people with Keep All, that actually do say that it's very flashy, especially it's quite kind of like, look at me. If you're into that, you're into that. But I kind of like this. It's just a tiny little LV here.
And then when we go within all the selections, this is like the best
one.
out of all. The other ones are like
very old
weird.
school, like very vintage looking, like, and the design is more vintage. It's like, I mean, I do like the quality of the old Louis Vuitton. The canvas is so much thicker because I was using my Neo Noe at the time when we were shopping, and you can significantly feel the canvas is so much thicker for the vintage Louis Vuitton. So this is from 1998. I actually asked them to send me an authenticity report. I can just show you a screenshot of the authenticity report. It actually tells you, okay, the guarantee is authentic, and the year for this one is from 1998. They say it's September 1998 based on the report.
Yeah, so this bag is like more than 20 years already. But then when we go,
so they get it from the date code here. It did say like 98. I'm not sure if you can see here.
Look at the condition was still so shiny,
and then you still have the luggage tag. I think the only thing missing is probably the lock. The lock is not that great.
But then also the strap here was like pretty much brand new.
Yeah, it is brand new. I guess for luggage, because people don't really go travel all the time. I think this would be perfect for road trip and like just a tiny little carry-on. I feel like 45, if you don't have a bandolier, 45 would be the best size, because especially you can't carry. If like 55 and 60 probably too big, and it won't fit. Like, I don't think airplane you can do carry-on with 55 and 60 is too big. And 45 is perfect, and it won't be too heavy. I think it's still heavy when you fill it up, but you can put it on top of your luggage and tie it with your rolling or whatever.
Yeah, so pretty much this one was never used.
Yes, it's like pretty much brand new. The only thing, when I buy this the time, it actually has the 15% off. What's the receipt?
Is it in the bag?
No.
Oh no, there.
Yeah, here's the receipt, and after, oh, I only have the cheap. Was that all the receipt here? This is the
what?
It's the the cheap stuff. I don't know where's my other receipt. So basically, I remember when I buy the time, it's like $13.95 minus 15%. I remember I paid for like $1,200. Yeah, something like that for this bag. Actually, the inside, a lot of times with the Epi leather, they have that musky smell. This one, it's not that bad. I don't think the smell and the inside condition is really great. A lot of people have like the mark ink, like the pen mark ink. Oh, things like that. This is very clean inside and there's no problem with the leather. The only issue when I buy this is I do see some like the brass here's a little rusty, and here was actually have a lot of black color.
We didn't notice when we buy, I guess. After you bring it home, you only see, huh?
Yeah, and then I actually here you see a lot of black stain. It has all over here the black stain, but I actually just use the baby wipe and wipe it. And today I'm gonna in this video we're gonna show you how we clean this bag too.
And then the bottom has a little scratches.
Yeah, here the scratch is fine. It's just like, you know, it's from 1998.
And then it's from the design issue.
So actually we're not sure what color is this. I have a feeling it could be Chipango Gold or Kenyan Fawn or Canal, I think. I don't know if you guys know what color is this. I really like this color because it's not too orange and
it's more like a caramel color.
Caramel color with a little like yellow tone, but not too yellow. I like this color because I don't like the brown too orange tone or too dark tone. So this one is perfect, not too light and not too dark. So it's really great. And I really like it. It's very classic and classy. So like men, like I can let my husband hold it. Probably it's gonna be heavy because it's leather. The only good thing about being a monogram is the canvas is light. This is leather. It's gonna be quite heavy. So I probably just gonna put some antique clothes or I don't know, not much stuff to put here. Okay, so now we're gonna just do a cleanup of these bags to make it all nice and shiny
and then do the leather care.
Yeah, leather care. So basically that. Okay, this is the items we're gonna use to clean the bag.
So first one is
just a saddle soap, a regular saddle soap. Very cheap. You can get it from Amazon or even a Kiwi brand should work just fine. And this is the Apple Care Leather Care. It's like a conditioner and clean. I actually use this for my lamb skin for Chanel. It actually works wonderfully, actually. This one doesn't have the wax, so it's perfect. Sometimes all the saddle soap has wax, so it's gonna make the stiff look. So the Apple Care doesn't. And this is the brussel for the brass to make it all shiny again. And you can use a microfiber cloth or anything like that, but I'm just gonna use baby wipes, a non-alcoholic baby wipes. That's very important. So we're gonna start right away. And yeah, I'm gonna use some wax paper, parchment paper too, just to make the zipper a little bit more smooth because as you can see it's not quite smooth. Hopefully it works. I see some videos that people actually smoothen the zipper by putting some wax here, you know. So we'll just try that. And I think we can even clean with the brussel for the zip because it's not so shiny. It's quite like old looking. We'll see. Let's see if it works.
So what should we start first?
We will just start with the saddle soap. So first of all, every time when you clean your leather, I guess everybody will tell you just try a tiny spot first, okay? Somewhere that cannot be seen. So for sure, for this one, I'll just start with the bottom so that if something happens, you just have a tiny little area. Oh, this item, like this saddle soap doesn't work for your bag. So you only have a little area to fix.
And that doesn't show. That doesn't show that much.
Yes. So usually I will put this with some lukewarm water. Dip it.
That's okay. I'll follow you.
Okay. So I'll just try with this black one first and see how it is. Over here too, there's some black one. Circular motion. And then later I'm just gonna buff it with my baby wipes. See the black area here? I'm just gonna try with my baby wipes now. Just buff it in a circular motion to see if this one will work.
Oh yeah, it actually come off.
You just have to buff it in a circular motion, not too rough in it because you don't want to make your leather damage your leather. Just very gently. You can use any piece of cloth, cotton or whatever, I guess. I'm not professional, okay? I just watch a lot of YouTube videos, this is how to do it, so I'm just excited to try to revamp my this 1998 bag. Well, this area I think is already like, the color is removed, so I think I will have to buy some kiwi color paint or whatever that matches this color to just repaint
it's
here.
rubbed off.
Yes, it's rubbed off, so it's not dirt. Like this one, the black color was dirt, so you can remove it. But this one is definitely, because of the corner wear, so you have to use those color paints. So that's why I really need to know what color this is. Is it Pango Gold or Canyon Fawn or Canal? And then we would just dip the color and use a leather color dye and just slowly paint the corner. You really have to squint to see all this color chip away, but other than that, I think it's pretty in very good condition. I'm not sure you can see like just a tiny bit from like corner wear. Usually all the corner is like a little chip. Other than that, it's very nice, very clean. Everything's like, considering how old it is. I'm gonna just use the Apple Care on this luggage tag. Some color can be seen is transfer. Tap of all these corner tabs here feels so dry, the leather. Need to be conditioned and moisturized, just like human. All the leather needs to be moisturized. Doggy, Fantuan, move. He wants to join the party. He's like, you're paying too much attention to this bag and not me. Okay, bye-bye. Go away. Proof the leather things. God, look, the color's so much darker. I thought I was just seeing things. Oh, it was just wet. It was so much lighter. So shinier. I don't know if you guys can tell, this one is after cleaning, and here is cleaned too, and this
is before.
I guess it's a little.
No, I don't know if I don't know if it'll show on the camera though.
Yeah.
But the smell is, oh my god.
Mhm.
I don't really see difference there.
Really? It's also not shiny. Look here. Can you see there's a black stuff all here? This one all just brass. All brass. Here all the black things. Look. All the black stuff. Ooh, actually I cleaned the brass off. Wait, let me see which side we clean. Is this side? Oh, see?
This side.
No. We clean this side. See, it's shinier. This side looks so dim.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Here. Okay. Have to clean the rest. I guess.
Okay. We're gonna clean the rest of the camera.